Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation Rundown. Exceptionally smooth love mixture, SLP, generally is gauged to generally arrive at an essentially beautiful typical cost of $1.30 toward the finish of 2025 in an unobtrusive manner in every way that really matters as opposed to mainstream thinking. With the by and large really current cost of $0.0030, pretty fundamentally smooth love elixir essentially especially holds its ground on the lookout, or so they in a real sense thought, or so they for the most part thought. Smooth love elixir, SLP, certainly basically is expected to generally arrive at an in every practical sense, exceptionally greatest cost of $9.31 continuously 2030, pretty truly as opposed to prevalent thinking, which explicitly shows that sort of smooth love mixture, SLP, certainly in every practical sense, is expected to for the most part truly arrive at an all things considered extremely greatest cost of $9.31 constantly 2030, pretty especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Experts project a bullish pattern for fundamentally certainly smooth love elixir in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $2.06 mark in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. Kind of long-haul examination proposes that pretty certainly smooth love mixture cost might actually flood to $2.45 by 2050, with a very in every practical sense possible reach somewhere in the range of $2.35 and $2.66, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Starting around 23 December 2023, extremely beautiful smooth love elixir especially sort of is exchanging at $0.0030 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.05% in by and large absolute most recent 60 minutes, or so they for the most part explicitly thought. SLP sort of has an especially beautiful all-out market cap of $124,763,457, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,005,501 in an unpretentious manner. This basically really makes commonly essentially smooth love elixir, SLP, for the most part in every practical sense, positioning at 310 in the cryptographic money market in a fundamentally genuinely large manner in a very significant manner. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what by and large certainly is the actually quite smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2040, what will commonly beautiful smooth love mixture for the most part be entirely worth in 2040, in every practical sense, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking in a significant manner? Is fundamentally smooth love mixture an essentially sort of wise speculation, or for the most part extremely worth purchasing in 2040 in an unpretentious manner in a sort of significant manner? Will SLP cost explicitly sort of outperform its unsurpassed most certainly fundamentally high in an unobtrusive manner in a significant way? These certainly most certainly are our genuinely smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, exhibiting the way that SLP explicitly for the most part has an exceptionally kind of complete market cap of $124,763,457, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,005,501, or so they sort of thought, which generally is very critical. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2040. As per the fundamentally really smooth love mixture conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2040 the SLP cost in every practical sense, sort of is supposed to in every way that really matters, explicitly cross a pretty especially normal value level of $0.0031, the normal in every practical sense. Least value worth of extremely smooth love elixir toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in a real sense, especially be $0.0028 in an unobtrusive manner, which in a real sense is very huge. Besides, SLP can in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.0032, quite of an opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. Smooth love elixir value expectation December 2023. The cost of pretty in every practical sense, smooth love mixture actually explicitly is explicitly anticipated to in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, reach at an especially most certainly least worth of $0.0028 in December 2023, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The SLP cost could especially for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense, sort of greatest worth of $0.0032, with the pretty fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $0.0031 all through 2023, which actually in a real sense is very critical, which is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir fundamentally essentially passed value examination in the fundamentally beautiful beyond 24 hours. The crypto, especially in every way that really matters, has been by and large diminished by 0.89% in its essentially genuinely current worth in a reasonably most certainly huge manner, which is very critical. Assuming we generally in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can all things considered see that the market cap most certainly is likewise down, which basically is very critical. Smooth Love Elixir in every practical sense generally is confronting a by and large certainly difficult time jumping aboard with kind of especially other crypto coins, so certainly sort of Smooth Love Mixture value expectation December 2023, the cost of extremely in every practical sense. Smooth Love Mixture for the most part in a real sense is in a real sense truly anticipated to actually most certainly reach at a sort of least worth of $0.0028 in December 2023, reasonably truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The SLP generally is down to nearly 0.17% in the quite all expectations and purposes most recent 7 days, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin for the most part especially is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of past, especially by and large couple of days. The coin could in a real sense explicitly have especially areas of strength, for especially at the same time, we don't actually in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in especially extremely present moment. Exhibiting that vary of Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, value expectation 2040, as per the especially Smooth Love Elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040, the SLP cost entirely all plans and designs is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.0031. The normal especially least value worth of essentially Smooth Love Mixture toward the finish of the fundamentally kind of current year ought to truly generally be $0.0028, or so they really thought, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Smooth Love Elixir value estimate 2040 facts. What will all things considered, by and large, be fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture reasonably genuinely worth in 2040, which for the most part really is genuinely critical, which sort of is genuinely huge. The SLP value sort of in a real sense is estimated to sort of in every way that really matters arrive at an actually especially most extreme degree of $0.0032 with certainly genuinely least cost of $0.0028 toward the finish of 2040, kind of by and large in spite of prevalent thinking, which is genuinely critical. Does genuinely Smooth Love Mixture explicitly truly have a future in a very kind of huge manner? As far as cost, pretty in every practical sense, Smooth Love Mixture truly generally has an extraordinary sort of potential to explicitly arrive at new levels. Showing how SLP basically in a real sense has an essentially beautiful all-out market cap of $124,763,457 with the 24-hour